Tag somebody you know who needs this information. This little button has 6 buttons to it. A lot of these short people that are driving out here don't know how to use this. So let me show you. For short people, you want the front part of this to go down. Lowers the seat. Notice the backrest goes with it. So as you're lowering that front part of the seat, you're actually going to need to switch to the backrest and tilt this back a little bit. Because if you sit too straight, you're going to get too close to that steering wheel. The next step is you need the back part of the seat to go up. So there's a little part right here that can make the seat go up in height. Again, notice the backrest goes with it. So again, you're going to need to adjust that backrest so it's not pushing you so far forward. So tilt it back a little bit. So short people, front part down, back part up, tilt backrest back. Now, say you didn't do that step. What happens is if you have your front part of the seat all the way up like this, it makes it so that you got to get really close to that dash right there, and makes it so that your knees are touching that. So you really want to make sure that you get that front part of the seat down so you don't have to get so close to the pedals or the steering wheel, so that you can have a little bit more room to reach and increase that distance between your steering wheel and your chest. Because eventually, if you get that front part of the seat all the way up, you're going to be all the way up here and you're not going to be able to steer. So recap: short people, front part down, back part up. This one adjusts backrest independently. As you notice, forward, back, 6 buttons to that little guy. If you're wondering what that does, that's for lumbar support, your lower back support. Generally, people don't mess with these, but it's always good to know what that does, I suppose. You can twist it and it's going to support your lower back. So hopefully this helps some people. And then for the taller people, you want that back part down, because you don't want to be touching the ceiling when you're driving. And then taller people have more options. You can have the front part of the seat all the way up if you so choose. So you can have it all the way up there if you want. If you're really tall like me, I generally like it like this. Every student that gets in after me, they're like, what? Why do you sit like that? And then my backrest straightens out a little bit. But I get as much distance as I can from the pedals, and I usually stop somewhere around there. But that one's optional. For tall people, you can have it flat, or you can have it raised up like I did. Up to you, you choose. But short people definitely want that front part of the seat down. So hope this helps somebody out. Tag somebody who definitely needs to know how the seat functions. Drive safe, drive smart, arrive alive. I'll see you out there.